Hello again. So in this video I will show how we can create the login. So here we will write the login logic. So again user router.post. I will make it as post request. We need response model. So here the response model will be a little bit different. Maybe we will change it in the future. So here I will create credentials models .py and from pydantic I will import base model and email string since we will send. So class token is base token, base model, token equals string. For now I will not write any description, so I will leave it here and credentials base model. Maybe in future we will refactor this, but let's for now write it like this. So we need the password and email, which is email string. Okay. So here we need from modules credentials, import token and credentials. Okay, so here we will return the token and here, okay, this is not a function, this is developer, I think here login user. Okay, and here we have credentials, which are instance of credentials, and here we are writing something extra. So again we are checking, do we really have this user? Existing user equals, we already have the function. So credentials dot email. See, so if not existing user, so we are trying to log in a user, but here we will copy this exception. Again bad request, but here I will just write bad credentials. Okay, nice. And here I will use the second validate hash word parse. So we received the password from the user and we queried the hashed password in the database, and here we have the existing user dot password and credentials dot password. Okay, and if they are not valid, again we will raise this exception. Okay, and if everything is okay, we have to create the token. So here again I will return to token file, and here I will try again to separate the logic from the router. So here we need few things. So first of all I will install IGWT, since I will use simple, how to say, IGWT, I think it was like this. That's okay. I will use simple JWT token. Okay, so here I will import JWT. I will need to import datetime, since we will have to give some time for the token expiration. So here we will write and more logic. So from fast API I think I need depends depends, and from fast API dot security I will import all out not password bearer. Okay, and from config I will import the JWT key, which I've added to the token guns, and from modules I will take user modules and I will import for now user. Okay, so for algorithm I will use shades 25.6 and access token expire days will equals 30. Okay, so I will create the all out to scheme, which is equal to all password and token URL equals token. So if you want me to deep dive in this logic, just write me in the comment. So here I again will create access token function. So if in future I want to switch to other kind of creating, I will switch it. So here we have payload, which is equals to sub user.id and expire, which is datetime.now UTC plus time delta, which is days access token expire days, and we also can, for example, import or how to say create environment configuration. So for now I will leave this hard coded. So encoded JWT is equal JWT encode payload JWT key and algorithm is equals algorithm. Okay, and we return the encoded JWT. Okay, so let's return here. We will from out dot token or create access token. So here access token, create access token, existing user. Okay, so we need the user, and here we will return. We can make it like this, just a simple token. This is also a valid syntax. And here I will black filters. Okay, so we are done with the login and register. In the next videos I will show more logic how we are actually authenticating the user with the provided token. Thank you for the attention.